Hey guys, welcome back. We are continuing on with our data representation unit. Now we're going to move on to some graphing of statistical data. We're going to be talking about dot plots, stem and leaf plots, histograms, box plots, plots. Okay? All right, we're going to do some notes first. We're going to start off with the dot plots. Hopefully this looks familiar to you. Not sure if you saw it in elementary or not, but no worries. As always, I will let you know what's going on here. All right, graphing statistical data. In statistics, we often use different types of graphs to represent our data. Graphing our data is a good visual representation of information and helps us to analyze it in many different ways. Let's look at some different graphs, and today we're going to do dot plots. So our notes for dot plots. A dot plot is also known as a line plot. It is a visual display of a distribution of data values where each data value is shown as a dot or other mark such as an X above a number line. Okay? So that's what dot plots are. Now let's take a look at an example. It says, create your own dot plot below. Okay. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So we have a table with some numbers in it. We have a number line, and we have some questions underneath here. First things first, we need to create our dot plot. Now, how this works, we can either use a dot, an X, or any other shape that you want to use, but I would probably stick to one of those two to represent your data on this number line. So what you're going to do is all these values, you're going to put them on the number line in the form of a dot or an X. All right, so our first value that I see is 52. So here's 50, 51, 52. So I'm going to put a dot. I'm going to cross that out. Have another 52. I have a 60. I have a 56. Here's 55. So 56 must be right here. I have a 62, 60, 61, 62. Cross that out. Crossing out is good, guys. Making sure that you get all your data points. A 48, 45, 46, 47, 48 is right here. Cross that out. 65. Cross that out. 45. Cross that out. 48. 45, 46, 47, 48. So we got another one right here. A 49. 52. 50, 51, 52 right here. A 58. 55, 56, 57, 58 right here. 50, 53, 50, 51, 52, 53. 51, here's 50, so 51's right here. 51 again. Cross you out. 48, 45, 46, 47, 48. Another one for that one. 52, 50, 51, 52. 58, 55, 56, 57, 58. And finally 49, which here's 50, so 49 must be behind it. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So I have put all of my data points onto my number line, as now we have a dot plot. Now I can proceed on to my questions underneath. My first one says, how many sixth graders were above 50 inches? All right, so here's my 50. I do have a dot on it, but it said above 50 inches. Above 50 inches. So I'm going to count all the dots that are to the right of 50. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So I have 13 sixth graders that were above 50 inches. Okay. Our next question, how many sixth graders have a height of 52 inches? So they want to know 52 exactly. Okay, so here's 50, 51, 52. So they want all the dots that are above the 52 here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 sixth graders that have a height of 52 inches. Our last question, how many sixth graders have a height of 48 inches? All right, so let's see, 48. So here's 45, 46, 47, 48. Here's 48, and I have 1, 2, 3. I have 3 dots for that one. Okay, so 3 sixth graders have a height of 48 inches. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is how you create a dot plot, and this is how you interpret or answer questions about the data from your dot plot. You're going to go ahead into your assignment, and you're going to, you're not going to create the dot plot, but I will have a dot plot there, and you will need to answer some questions to interpret it. All right, guys, I hope you have a great day, and I will see you tomorrow.